Hi everyone, and welcome back to my morning report. Charts appraisals on Tuesday, the 6th of October, with me, Rich Pro Market Analyst at Handset Markets. Let's look at dollar yen, and this chart continues to consolidate. And once more, we've had a pretty disappointing, move for anyone who's really looking for direction. We've had a solid bull candle yesterday, if unspectacular, not a massive range, about sort of 50 ticks up on the day. But again, we've seen a retracement of that move, so it just completely and utterly still lacking in any real direction we're getting off this chart. I mean, look at the Bollinger Bands here on this dollar yen. So tight now, becoming increasingly tight. And what I would say is, when they do become tight, that would theoretically suggest that we're close to a big breakout. Now, on dollar yen, we do get a tendency for the market to sort of move sideways for quite consistently, for quite a consistent length of time. But when you do get a breakout, as you can see here in May, if I zoom in here, you do get a breakout where you start to see the market trading outside the Bollinger Bands, which are fairly tight. You do then get a direction, and that happened in May, and could that now be set to happen again? We're not getting the moves outside the Bollinger Bands, and certainly that Friday's move, which was payrolls related, didn't close outside the Bollinger Bands. So we're looking for closes outside the Bollinger Bands for this move, but could be on the way. Maybe not. But anyway, so that is something that we need to look out for. But what we're so my charts are being annoying. There you go. Right, so subsequently, we're seeing a fairly much of a range played. Nothing really on the momentum indicators. Hourly, we are getting, again, the signals off the RSI, the hourly RSI, which I've been talking about so often. Every time we get towards 70, sell it, towards 30, buy it. I mean, it's standard stuff that I've been talking about for weeks now. And it seems to work on this chart. Does seem to work pretty well. But again, you need to keep the time horizons very short if you're going to play that as a move. Again, just before the Asians sort of gave up the session this morning, you had a MACD sell signal, stochastic sell signal, and the RSI pulling back off 70. So hence, we're sort of now in a more corrective frame of mind on this dollar yen. So maybe looking out for sort of selling opportunities again, but it once more towards 70 was your selling opportunity on that hourly RSI. So really interesting moves we're seeing still on this chart on the hourly basis. Daily, pretty much consolidation and nothing really doing in terms of direction. So you've got to be very careful exactly how you play dollar yen, and don't have your time horizons too long, because you get consistent retracements. Anyway, I wish you good luck in your trading today. Support resistances. So you got that pivot around 120 figure. So 120 figure is a supportive element. If you sort of break below that, maybe it's going to start to retreat again. You got the initial small support around 1985, but then sort of more consistently coming back in around the 1950, maybe 1920 area, and then back towards 19 figure. So a few levels for you to work with there, but again, it's really is indecisive trading, and it's difficult to play it other than sort of playing on the momentum basis. So I wish you good luck in your trading, and I'll speak to you later.